Hello lovely people, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is alright and living your best life, or getting there if you're not now. So what have I got for you today? Well, it's the first official unboxing for April 2018. Very exciting time, and it is this pink parcel. I wonder what it's got in store for us this month. So if you would like to find out what's inside this box, if it's any good and whether you should get one yourself, then it would be great if you could give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, and of course share this video because everyone needs to find out about Pink Parcel. Okay, let's get into the video. Every month my Pink Parcel comes like this. This sticky bit is never done up, not once. Anyway, Pink Parcel is a monthly period subscription box. It's $12.99 and it gives you plenty of options. So if you're a person who likes towels, you can have towels, and it's got a couple of brands to choose from. If you like tampons, you can have tampons, and if you like both, you can have both. You always get a little bag like this, which is really neat, and you can put it in your handbag, your backpack, your car, your drawer, wherever you like, to discreetly keep all of your products safe. This has some panty liners and some tampons in it. You have a for later box which has more tampons because I only have tampons. And then you get a nighttime box which has nighttime pads. So you are covered on all bases. The bit of this box that anyone actually cares about is this. It's the for me box. Well, for me box, for you box, but it's for me, obviously. And it's always got loads of goodies in here which are always worth more than the value of the whole package, and it's just fantastic. Pretty much, I don't think there's been a bad one yet. We have some paraphernalia. Women's Running Brand of the Year, multi-tea, lemon and peach, green tea and vitamins, the Smarter Tea. 50% of your recommended daily allowance of 9 essential daily vitamins, including B12. B12 is very important if you're not feeling yourself, and probably just anyway you should get your vitamins checked, especially your vitamin D and your vitamin B12 and your folate, actually, because a lot of us are deficient in these things, and even if the doctor says you're okay on the spectrum, get them to show you the range as well, and make sure that you're somewhere in the middle, because you might need a little bit extra B12. Most people need a bit extra vitamin D. I'm not a doctor, I'm just talking from life experience. So there is a code. Can you see that? Okay, shall we get on with it then? This is our Pink Parcel post, very nice, spring forward parcel. And it tells you everything that is in your box and a bit of information. I'll try not to look. It says, welcome to your spring forward parcel. Oh, this is such nice decoration. April is a pretty refreshing month. The weather's getting warm and everything is in bloom. The plants, the wildlife and this parcel. Like nature at the beginning of spring, we're bringing you an explosion of colour and waving goodbye to the colder months for another year. Inspired by botanical beauty, our spring forward parcel celebrates all things floral, plus the beauty benefits that come with it. So sit back, slip on your Beauty Pro eye masks. Ooh, eye mask! Exciting. Sip on a cup of lemon and peach tea and enjoy the excitement new season brings. Don't forget to share your thoughts on social media using #PPInBloom. What would you like first look? I haven't watched anyone else's video because I was saving myself for you guys. Ooh, what have we got? Does it look good? I can see something out the corner of my eye that looks interesting. And we're going to start with that. Catherine Malandrino, Style de Paris, Eau de Parfum. Oh, it's perfume. Ooh, nice. There we go. Perfume. Oh, look at this. So this is the bottle, and it just says Catherine Malandrino, Style de Paris. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. I like. That's a decent size as well. I don't know where the size is, but husband wants to get in on the action. It's made in the USA.
Oh, that's good.
10ml. That is a really decent size for perfume. Thank you very much. Catherine Malandrino Style de Paris, but I'm going to say Style de Paris Purse Spray. Spritz the notes of ruby red, grapefruit, nashi pear, orange blossom and gardenia on your pulse points to enjoy this fresh floral scent. Cool, that's really nice. Okay, this is the next item. Natural body wash from Green Frog Botanic, relaxing geranium and peppermint. Ayurvedic skincare with revitalising organic aloe vera, plant-based using organic soap berries sourced from the Himalayas. Cruelty-free, vegan, palm oil-free, 0% parabens, SLS and ALS, dermatologically tested. Dangerous though. So basically an all-round good guy. Oh no, I've got the perfume. I've got the peppermint. It smells good. Green Frog Botanic Body Wash. Lather the combination of moisturising aloe vera, calming geranium and cooling peppermint oil into your skin for a deeply conditioning gentle cleanse. Every month they have some kind of statement or motto from somebody, and this month's motto is, we have to start talking about periods loudly, with confidence and without embarrassment. Amika George, activist and leader of the #FreePeriods movement. Visit pinkparcel.co.uk/blog for inspiring female focused content. Also, for the first time, Pink Parcel actually have a referral code thing going on. For every person that signs up, I'll get £5 to spend at the Pink shop, and you will get your first Pink Parcel for £9.99. So that is a £3 discount. Very nice. And then of course you can do the same, pass it on. So that's great, because they haven't done a referral scheme like that as long as I've known about them. Okay, let's dip back in. Let's do the chocolate. Oh, tiny chocolate today. But there's 2 of these. Cocoa Bar Eat, Drink, Love Chocolate. Orange milk chocolate. There, they're both the same. Thought I'd just better check. Cocoa Bar Orange milk chocolate. Go on, indulge in 2 squares of orange milk chocolate designed exclusively for the PP squad. Melt in your mouth delightful. These pocket-sized treats won't be in your pocket for long. It's bespoke to PP subscribers. Shop the range at cocoabarchocolate.com. So they don't have a price for those. I guess they're just like bonus freebies. Although there is always something to eat every month, so they're not really a bonus freebie, but that's our chocolate for this month. I'm sending it direct to husband because I'm very generous like that. What is this? This has got all its ingredients on the plastic wrapper, but I can't read it without taking it off. So this month you will get one of 2 items from the Beauty Crop. Either you'll get Fabulous Flocking Lashes, which is this, or Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. Both full-size items. The eyeliner is £13, the mascara is £15. The eyeliner, it says it's so easy to create precise lines with this eyeliner pen. The formula is smudge-proof and injected with some pretty cool ingredients too, such as argan oil, licorice and blackberry. However, I have got the mascara. For a fluttering look, coat each lash in the Beauty Crop's Intensely Black, clump-free formula that surrounds each hair in a film of mascara. It's water-resistant, smudge-free and conditioning too. It's got really cool packaging. It's pink and it's got like flamingos all over it. Can you see that? But yeah, there we go. The Beauty Crop. It's so funny, mascara in tubes. Ooh, quite a nice brush. No, I don't have lash extensions. I'm very excited to have all kinds of new mascara experiences, so I'll be looking forward to using that. Position change. Oh, this looks nice. Oh. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm disappointed and I haven't thought this through. So this is from Jelly Pong Pong. And the last thing we got in a Pink Parcel from them was the most beautiful lip crayon type thing. Well, it was a lip crayon, I think, in red. And I love it. It's such a good addition to my makeup drawer. And I really like Jelly Pong Pong now because of that. It's a coffee and coconut lip scrub. So that's what made me go, oh, because I don't like coffee that much. Well, I don't mind to drink it, but I don't really like the taste of it that much. Well, that sounds weird. What don't I like about coffee? I don't like to breathe coffee on people. I don't like coffee to be breathed on me. That's what I don't like about coffee, and I don't like coffee flavour unless I'm drinking coffee. But I don't know yet. It might be fine. So maybe this is all just babble for nothing. So this is Jelly Pong Pong Lip Scrub with coffee and coconut. It's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, whatever that means. I'm sure somebody knows. If you know, put it down below. It says use the coffee and coconut lip scrub infused with pure golden sugar, jojoba and rosehip oil to turn your lips silky soft. It's not that long since we had got a bunch of lip scrubs and a few things last month. I like the writing, that's fancy. Do you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna, oh, maybe I should. Should I open it? Sealed. How long does it last? Oh, 12 months. That's all right then. I was thinking, will I get through it? I don't know where my other lip scrub is at the moment, so I'm quite happy. It just looks like sugar and it makes me want to eat it. It doesn't really smell of coffee. Oh, it smells like sweets. Nice. Okay. I've just taken a little dab on my finger. Oh, this is perfect. The last lip... Oh, now I can smell the coffee actually. The last lip scrub I had in a box, I think it was in my Glam box, the new one. I wasn't that keen because the actual grains of sugar were too big. I don't know if you can see there. The grains of sugar are perfect and you get the sensation that you're able to exfoliate, but it's not too chunky, it's not falling off my hand. So that is the perfect level of grain. It does smell like coffee. I don't know. Perhaps my husband will use this. If not, I might put this in my giveaway. Try a little bit on your finger without putting it on your lips and putting your finger back on your lips. Either way, it's a really nice product. It's just, I've got a problem. I got a problem. This was the Jelly Pong Pong lip colour we got last time. Super matte in the colour Awesome. I would totally recommend it. I appear to have lost my tea bag. It's Tea Plus Multi-Tea Lemon and Peach Tea Bag, packed full of 9 essential daily vitamins, equating to 50% of your recommended daily allowance, a tasty and refreshing start to your day. It looked like that. I don't know where I've lost it, but I have. I'm sure it's delicious if I find it later. Last item, and one I'm quite excited about because you know I love a mask and I love to have eye bags that don't look like my eye bags look, but that's just asking for miracles, isn't it? It's Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask with collagen and green tea. One pair, you put it on for 20 minutes. A hydrogel patch formulated with anti-aging marine-based collagen combined with green tea, aloe vera and vitamins A and E. An intensive under-eye treatment to nourish and minimise the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, under-eye shadow and dryness while increasing elasticity and firmness for a youthful appearance. The only problem I've got with this is these gels. I know they're going to be these little gels and I always stick my fingernails through them. I'm rubbish. But of course I will do a mini review and let you know if these are worth buying, because some are and some aren't. It's $4.95 for a pack of 3. I hope they work, because at $4.95 for a pack of 3, that makes them affordable, and everything else is everything said. Well, that is what we've got in our pink parcel. What do you think? I really like this month's edition. Grand total is £53.39, and that is of course on top of the value of the tampons and pads and things. And the box is only $12.99. It's such an amazing value box and I'm really excited about all the products in it this month. I'm really happy, especially that perfume is so good. And of course I will be doing that eye mask. I'll probably be doing it tonight, to be honest, because my eye bags are not happy. Not so bad here, but look, can you see them? It's just not right. They just won't stop being tired. Thank you so much for joining me to do this month's pink parcel unboxing. I hope it helped you to find out what was inside the box and whether you would want one too. I will be back next month with another pink parcel because I just can't get enough of pink parcel goodies. They're so good. So please come back next month and join me for May's pink parcel, and of course we will have loads more unboxings to come. But until we see each other again, I hope that you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.